Hi, I'm Mark. I'm a digital artist and illustrator. I've been into art for about 9 years, and within this period, I have done lots of artwork, including photo manipulation. A few months ago, photo manipulation became the trend, and everyone is going into this because it is an easy way to create digital artwork without painting. With photo manipulation, you can create concept art for games and movies. You can also use it for personal project, and you can also use it for any art project. In this course, I will take you through my process of photo manipulation from start to finish. You will learn how to merge several images into one, color correction, matching of light, lighting and color grading. You will also learn how to export videos in Photoshop and give it a final touch in Adobe Premiere. I'm really excited to be your instructor in this course. Without wasting any time, let's get into Photoshop and start